Forget everything you thought you knew about physics. Porsche just didn't move the goalposts, they vaporized them. This is the 2027 Cayenne Turbo Coupe Electric. It's an SUV with more power than a Bugatti Veyron and a 0 to 60 time that will genuinely distort your vision. Let's get straight to the numbers, because they're terrifying. We're talking about a dual-motor system that delivers a staggering 1,156 horsepower with launch control overboost. It hits 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds, in a vehicle that can carry your groceries and 5 adults. It's not just fast for an SUV, it's one of the quickest accelerating production cars on the planet, period. Beneath the floor is a massive 113 kilowatt-hour battery pack. But the headline isn't just the capacity, it's the speed of the recovery. Thanks to a refined 800-volt architecture, the Turbo Coupe can now pull a peak 400 kilowatts at a DC fast charger. That means a 10 to 80% charge in just 16 minutes. It's the first Porsche to launch with a standard NACS port, giving you native access to the entire supercharger network. Visually, it's all about the 911 flyline. The coupe sits 24 millimeters lower than the standard SUV, achieving a drag coefficient of just 0.23. Look at these active aero blades at the back. They pop out at 40 miles per hour to stabilize the car and maximize your 416-mile range. It's a masterclass in aggressive efficiency, especially in this new turbonite finish. How do you handle 1,100 horsepower in a 6,000-pound truck? Porsche Active Ride. This suspension system is literal wizardry. It can keep the car perfectly level during hard cornering or even lean into the bends like a motorcycle. It eliminates pitch and roll entirely, making this feel less like a heavy SUV and more like a high-altitude Taycan. Starting at $170,350, the Cayenne Turbo Coupe Electric is the new king of the hill. Is this the ultimate one-car garage, or has Porsche gone too far? Let me know in the comments. I'm going back for another launch.